In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save as PDF here on Canva. Now, once you've created your design, we have two different options when it comes to downloading as a PDF. What we want to do is simply come up to the share icon just here, come down to download, change this PNG to PDF, which is just here. We actually have PDF standard and PDF print. Now, if we click on PDF print, we have a couple of different options. We can flatten PDF, or we can also include notes. Now, the other option, which is PDF print, which is best suited for printing, if we click on there, we can see we have a few more actual different options. We can crop marks and bleed, flatten PDF, include notes as well, like normal, but then there's RGB and CMYK. Now, RGB is best for digital use, and CMYK is best for professional printing. Now, please note, if you want to download as CMYK, this is a Canva Pro feature, as we can see that there's a little crown next to this. But if we click on one of these, let's go with RGB, all we have to do is then click download. Now, if there's more than one design in your project, let's just do a few different pages like so. If we come back to download and PDF print, we can see we now have options to select pages. So what you can do is select all pages, which you'll probably do, or if there's a page that you don't want to download, you can simply disable that just like that. Then you can click download, and now we're going to have this as a PDF. So once that's downloaded, if we then click open, we can then see our PDF just here. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to save as PDF here on Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.